to another truck rebuild episode. Today, we have a freshly painted lift kit. So we're going to be going ahead and starting to install that. So there we go. Those are the front crossmember, rear crossmember, kicker braces, and sway bar. Those are the pieces I wanted white. As of right now, that's it. Everything else is going gloss black. And we're going to start by installing that front crossmember. So I'm going to try to be very careful with this because this is still very fresh. It was actually only painted like 3 hours ago or something like that. Ooh! Yeah! Good morning, guys. It is day 2 of kind of reinstalling the lift. All I really did yesterday was get the bottom cross member in, and then Jordan picked me up and we went riding. So me and Dan and Jordan went riding, and that was actually way more fun than putting the lift on yesterday. It was just a good day to go riding. So I'm going to show you guys a few clips of that because I did bring the camera and gimbal with and tried to get some footage just for the fun of it, but I thought might as well show you guys and then we'll go right back to the truck build. First thing on the list today is getting the rear cross member mounted to the truck, which goes right back there. I bet you that just looked retarded. Well, she's in. And that was probably the stupidest looking thing I've ever done on this channel. Okay, so we got our old tie rod here, tie rod end, sorry. I'm gonna go ahead and just, lots of people may do this differently. I'm gonna put a piece of tape here where this one ended. That way I can just take it off. And then the reason I'm doing that is it's not getting wheel alignment right now. Obviously not today or tomorrow. It's gonna be probably a week or two until it gets a wheel alignment anyway. And so I don't want it to be completely out of whack if I do have to drive the truck in the meantime. This way I can put the new one on pretty much exactly where the old one is. Okay, so here we got our new tie rod end. And we got the little bag with the grease insert and the nut that goes on here. I'll go ahead and rip that open. See if we can thread this on all the way by hand. Okay, right there, that's where we will stop. And then we will take tie rod end and do the same thing. And then take tape off and we're good to go. Alright, so we got the new strut here. And now we need to put the strut spacer. Too bad I don't get this first try. You would. There we go. Okay, you get that guy bolted down. So, got our 15 mil nuts here. They're block nuts. Alright, now that we've gotten those all tightened, we are ready to go put the strut back in. Well, that looks really good, I gotta say. Okay, let's see if this is gonna work. Hopefully I'm not cross-threading it. Feels like it's going in nice. Okay, we got the axle spacer here. Front CV straps. That's what it is. Put that guy right there like that. Now it's a matter of putting this on. Okay, now that we have this side over there pretty much fully complete, gonna be picking up new wheel bearings tomorrow and maybe new brakes. Slap those on there. This other side I still need to get some stuff painted for, so that will not be finished in this video. I'm gonna go ahead and put the skid plate on right now, which basically just goes from underneath the front crossmember to the back crossmember. It's just to protect the front diff, so I'm gonna go ahead and slap that on. Alright, so we are going to be now moving on to putting the sway bar back on. I do not have this other side quite done yet. I'm still waiting for the paint to cure, and then I'm gonna put that side on, but we're just gonna do that side off camera. Really just want to get this video wrapped up and not have a 30-minute long video. So I've got all the new parts for the sway bar, so sway bar links and bushings. To be honest, this kind of pisses me off. Most people would not give a rip what color their sway bar bushings are. This is blue. Everything else that I've shown you under the truck is white and black. That's the color scheme I'm going for here, not blue. Anyway, just a little, me being a little picky asshole, I guess. But anyway, it is what it is. I need to get this truck back together, so we're just gonna use these blue bushings, I guess. So, funny enough, I was complaining about the color of the sway bar bushing. I opened up the package for the sway bar links that I got, and man, I am not upset about those. Check it out. That color match. I love how this came black and white. Sway bar bushings look kind of stupid. Blue. Everything else is black and white under here. But that just looks so good. That makes me so happy. Yeah, I'm one of those guys that gets really excited about those small little details like that. Alright guys, I feel like this video might be getting a little bit too long, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right now. Thanks for watching. If you guys want some sweet ass merch, Rogue Lab's website, Rogue Lab, linked in the description. Go check it out. Also, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe for more future content. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.